Add a personalized note to a LinkedIn connection request to increase the chances that someone connects. When you click on the Connect button on someone's profile, you receive a pop-up. Here, if you click Done, the invitation will be sent without a message. Instead, click Add a Note. Here, you can add a note letting the person know why you'd like to connect with them. Once you have it entered, click Done, and the invitation will be sent with the note attached. On the LinkedIn mobile application, the process is a little different. Here, instead of clicking Connect, click on the three-dot icon to the right. From there, select Personalize Invite. Here, you can now personalize the invite and then send it.